Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is leaking from the bottom while cooking, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to a faulty seal or a damaged component within the device. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage and even affect the cooking performance of your beloved Thermomix. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement seal, and possibly some adhesive if needed. Ensure you have everything ready before starting the repair to make the process smoother. First, let's safely open the Thermomix. Begin by unplugging the device and placing it on a stable surface. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the base of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover. Be cautious to avoid damaging any cables connected to the main body. Now, let's locate the faulty component. Typically, the issue lies with the seal that sits around the mixing bowl area. Inspect it for any cracks or signs of wear. If you find any damage, this is likely the culprit. To extract the damaged seal, gently pull it away from its seating. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging other nearby components. Now, it's time to replace the old seal with the new one. Make sure the replacement seal fits snugly into place. When inserting, ensure you press evenly around the entire circumference so it seals properly. After replacing the seal, reassemble the Thermomix by reversing the steps you took to open it. Before securing the base cover, double-check that all cables are connected and that no tools are left inside. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, secure the screws tightly but be careful not to over-tighten them as this could strip the threads. Finally, plug the device back in and run a test to ensure there are no leaks. If all is well, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check the seals and maintain your Thermomix by cleaning it properly after each use. This will help prolong its life and ensure it continues to perform at its best. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.